best revenge is nothing. Alam ko masakit. Alam ko rin nakakapikon. Alam ko rin nakakapuno na. But all you have to do is to keep quiet. Huwag mong hayaang maging katulad ka ng taong nanakit sa'yo. You cannot change how they're going to treat you, but you can always change the way you react to them. Alam mo na pagdaanan ko rin yan. Yung gigil na gigil kang ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. Yung gigil na gigil kang patunayan na mali sila. Yung gigil na gigil kang dumating din yung oras para makita nila na tama ka at mali sila. Thankfully, God saved me from that situation. Dear, wala ka nang dapat pang patunayan lalo pat puuna ang desisyon nila tungkol sa'yo. Let them be. What other people think of you is no longer your responsibility. What matters is you do your thing and God will do His for you. This is your time to keep quiet and allow God to vindicate you. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka ipagtatanggol ng tatay mo. Rest in His promise that you will never walk alone. With love and prayers, Nobel.